If you just got your brand new Apple Vision Pro or you're thinking about getting one, I've got some power accessories here by Spigen that'll keep your Vision Pro charged up and extend the battery life for on-the-go use. And if you guys want to pick these up, I will be putting product links in the video description, and I promise you by the end of this video, you'll know whether or not these accessories are right for you. So to keep your Vision Pro charged up while you're at home, we've got the Arc Vision Pro 1402. This is a dual port 140 watt charger that uses GaN technology, and GaN technology allows the charger to operate with higher efficiency and generate less heat than standard wall chargers. It also has folding prongs for easy storage that you can put in your purse or backpack without having to worry about getting snagged on things. It's also compatible with pretty much every USB Type-C device, so you can even use it to charge up other devices in your house that you might have. Next up, we have the Arc Wire. This is a USB 4 Gen 3 cable, and it uses power delivery 3.1. It can deliver up to 240 watts of power and transfer a max of 40 gigabits per second of data. It's also compatible with Thunderbolt 4 and 3. This cable pairs perfectly with the ArcStation Pro and the Arc Pack to charge up your Vision Pro or other devices as fast as possible. And then lastly, we have the Arc Pack. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour 30 watt portable charger. You can connect it to your Vision Pro as well as charge up any of your other devices. It supports 30 watt power delivery 3.0 and 25 watt PPS, so you can charge your devices at super fast charging speeds. It's super compact and very portable, and it can charge to 100% in 1.8 hours using the ArcStation Pro. So now that you know a little bit more about these accessories, let's check them out up close and personal, and we'll even try them out on the Vision Pro. So here we have the ArcStation Pro, and it's a pretty good size charger. It's about the same size as one of the MacBook Pro chargers, but the MacBook Pro only has one USB Type-C, where the ArcStation has two. So if you happen to have two laptops, you can charge them both up at the same time and get around 60 watts per port. And then here we have the folding prongs. You can very easily pull them out and they snap right back into place for easy placement in your purse or your book bag. This charger is made of all plastic, but it feels really solid, and I definitely trust Spigen because they do make some really good power adapters. And because this charger can output a max of 140 watts, you definitely know that your Vision Pro is getting charged up as fast as possible. And then here we have the Arc Wire cable. This cable is pretty thick. It's about 4 feet long. It is dual USB Type-Cs on each end, and it's made of a very thick cable, so you don't have to worry about it cracking or breaking, even if you happen to bend it a whole bunch of times. And again, you don't just have to use this for charging, you can also use it to transfer data. So if you have external hard drives or things like that, you can use this with those as well. And then here we have the Arc Pack. Again, this is a 10,000 milliamp hour portable battery. As you can see, it's pretty compact. It's a little bit smaller than the Apple Vision Pro battery, and I don't think it's as much in weight either. I think it probably weighs a little less. Here on the side we have our power button. If you push that, you can see the battery status with the LEDs right here. We also have one USB Type-C that can output a max of 30 watts. And that is pretty much it for the battery. It's super easy to use. All you do is plug it in and it starts to charge. You also don't have to worry about turning it off, because after some time it will automatically turn itself off, so you don't have to worry about draining the battery. It also comes with this really nice pouch that you can put the charger in to keep it safe, along with its USB Type-C cable. So this cable is not as hefty and sturdy as the Arc Wire cable, but at least it comes with something that you can use to charge up your other devices. So now let's plug our devices into the Apple Vision Pro and see what kind of charging speeds we can get. I'm going to use the Apple Vision Pro for probably about 15 to 20 minutes, and in that time we'll see how much the battery has charged, if at all. So again, this portable power bank can output 30 watts. That's the same wattage as the wall adapter that comes with the Vision Pro. So even if you're using the Vision Pro, you still should be able to charge the battery while using the device. But we're going to find that out. So right now the Vision Pro battery is sitting at 38%. So I'm going to charge in the portable power bank using my Arc Wire into the Vision Pro battery. As you can see, the little LED turns on to let you know that it is charging. I'm going to use the Vision Pro for about 18 minutes, and we'll see how much charge we can get even with using the Vision Pro. So it's been about 15 minutes and I just turned on my screen recording so you guys could see what I'm seeing. Now all I did was simply stream some YouTube videos and kind of navigate around the menus, and in about 15 minutes we got about 12% charge. So even while using the Vision Pro, the portable power bank still charges up the Vision Pro while it's being used. So now I'm going to plug in the ArcStation Pro to our power cord here. I'm going to unplug the Vision Pro from the portable charger, and we're going to use the same ArcWire cable to connect to the ArcStation Pro. Now I'm going to use this for another 15 minutes and we'll see what kind of charge we can get from the ArcStation Pro versus the portable power bank. And again, we're sitting at about 49% battery life. So we just hit 15 minutes and all I did was simply stream a YouTube video for the past 15 minutes and just sit here. We started off at 50% from the portable charger, and now we're at 79% with the ArcStation Pro. So that's 20, almost 30% charge in the past 15 minutes. So the ArcStation Pro definitely does charge faster than the portable power bank, but the power bank is still going to charge the Vision Pro while you're using it if you need it on the go. So before my headset totally dies, I just want to show you that we are sitting at only 3% battery life, and we're going to do one more test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Arc Pack, which I've charged up to 100% again. As you can see, the LEDs are fully charged. I'm going to plug it into the Vision Pro's battery pack, and we're going to let it charge for about an hour and a half, which should take it from its 2% all the way up to 100%. Then we'll come back, we'll see what the battery percentage is sitting at in the Vision Pro and whether or not it's charged it to 100%, and also what the battery life is left in the Arc Pack. And this time I'm not going to be using the Vision Pro. So I'll just put the Vision Pro down, I'll plug in the Arc Pack. As you can see, the battery LED is on red. We'll plug this in. I just heard the ding, so the Arc Pack is charging. And as you can see, the little red LED is now pulsating. So let me look in the headset really quick just to make sure that it is charging. And it is. It's charging at 2%. So again, we'll come back in an hour and a half and we'll see what the battery level of the Vision Pro is at, as well as the Arc Pack. And for time reference, you can see that it is now 3:08 p.m. So we're just a couple minutes before an hour and 30 minutes, but it seems like the power bank has shut off or completely depleted. So I'm going to check the Vision Pro and see what the battery level's at. So the Vision Pro is not charging anymore. We're sitting at 72% battery life. So it seems like the Arc Pack fully charged will take your Vision Pro battery from around 2% all the way up to 72% on one full charge. So it's definitely good to know. So definitely not a bad experience at all. So if you need to charge the Vision Pro while you're at home or on the go with the portable charger, either one will still charge your Vision Pro even if you're going to be using it. So again, if you guys want to pick any of these accessories up yourself, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.